on, Millie. Come on. What, do you like it? Huh? And put it in the other hand so I can give it to you, okay? Up. Come up here first. There you go. I'll give you another one. Will you let me pet you? Yeah. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Pretty tail. Pretty tail. Ooh, she scares me. See, one day I'm going to take off your finger, lady. One day. Would you like another? Would you like another one? How about a rodent block, huh? How about a rodent block instead? They're a bit healthy for you. They're a bit more healthy for you. I'll put it there myself, please. Hold on. You get another one. I get another one. There you go. It's like, this isn't a nut. This isn't as tasty as a nut either. I think I'll save it for later, huh? Where's the good stuff, lady? Where's the good stuff? Where's the good stuff? That's just my hand. That's just my hand. Oh, you want my hand now? I think you should take that and be happy. You dropped it. Come on back up here. Good girl. Would you like a pecan? I get you a pecan? I'll get it. Come up first. There you go. My house and my light. Say bye-bye, Millie. Say bye-bye, Millie. Bye. Bye-bye, Millie. See my teeth? I need my teethy's pet again, huh? Don't attack the camera. Okay, we're gonna turn it off. Bye-bye.